My name is Susan Titelli. I'm 18 years old and I have severe food allergies. Thank you, FAIR, for selecting me as an Innovation Tank finalist. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my food allergy story and how it inspired my innovation.
When I was 2 years old, my mom suspected I was allergic to peanuts. My pediatrician suggested she give me a small amount of peanut to see what happened. We now know what a bad idea that was.
My parents didn't really understand how serious my food allergies were. I think one of the first times that they really got it was when I was really young and I had an allergic reaction on an airplane, and they ended up having to make an emergency landing. And that was like the first time that my parents really got, okay, this is something that, we have to take really seriously. Susan isn't going to be able to live like a normal person. She won't be able to do things that everybody else can do. And so that's when my life sort of started to get a little restricted.
In the clinical trial, I was in the control group, which means that I was trying to increase my dose as rapidly as someone that was getting Xolair, but that didn't go very well, and I had so many reactions.
I'm 16 years old, and I have self-administered my epinephrine 17 times.
I think that it was actually good in a sense that I had all of my reactions, because I was able to learn what my signs and symptoms were. I knew what a reaction felt like. I knew how to use my EpiPen, and I just got really comfortable with having reactions. So when I was 12, so a couple years ago, I decided that if I had another reaction, I would have my mom videotape me, and I would make a video for my Girl Scout Silver Award project. And I did have another reaction, and we videotaped it, and that footage is going to be in a video that I show you today, along with footage from a more recent reaction from just a couple months ago. But the difference is, in that second reaction, you'll see that I did everything exactly right. Like the doctor sort of corrects some of the things I did the first time, and I make sure to do it all perfectly the second time, and it kind of shows that I've become really familiar with using my epinephrine.
Right here. 1, 2, 3. This kit is a culmination of my work in the food allergy community over the last 7 years. This is my bilingual epinephrine readiness training kit. Inside the kit, you will find an EpiPen trainer, an AviQ trainer, and a flash drive with educational videos in English and Spanish. You will also find information sheets, a kid-friendly cartoon, and FAIR emergency action plans, all in English and Spanish. Part of what makes my epinephrine readiness training kit so unique is that it's one of the only food allergy resources available in Spanish. This super portable kit can be used to train people anywhere, even college.
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One, two, three.
If you are ready to use, pull off red safety guard. To inject, place black end against outer thigh, then press firmly and hold in place for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Injection complete. Seek emergency.
I've spoken at many national and regional food allergy conferences and events and personally trained over 2,500 people in my epinephrine readiness curriculum. Thank you to all the doctors, researchers, and food allergy organizations who supported my activism and education over the years.